Hello everyone, welcome back to Layman Solution. In this video, we'll discuss what to do when video call doesn't work on Instagram. So let's get started. There are chances that you have muted the video call option on Instagram. To fix that, you need to go to Instagram. Open the chat of that person. Click on the profile. Here, if the mute call notification is on, then make it off. In this way, you will receive the video call from that particular person. So this was the first method. For the second method, you need to long press on Instagram. Go to eye icon. Permissions, search for microphone. Under this, you need to select allow only while using the app. Click on camera. Here also you need to select allow only while using the app. This was the second method with the help of which you can fix the problem. The third method is following. If you doesn't follow anyone or someone doesn't follow you, this means that they will not be able to call you or you'll not be able to call them, because Instagram does not allow non-followers to call someone. So you need to keep this in mind. If someone who is not in your following or follower list, then you'll not be able to call that person. This was the third thing. The fourth thing is, or if you have turn off the notification setting from the setting. So in order to enable this, you need to go to menu bar, settings, notification, click on messages and calls. Under video chat, you need to make it from everyone. So this was the method with the help of which you can solve the issue. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.